friends, it's been a while. The weather has been so incredibly beautiful these days. It feels like the perfect invitation to slow down and notice the little joys around us. Lately, I've been really chasing our simple daily rhythm. In the mornings, I study together with my kids. Once we finish, we head out for peaceful afternoon walks in nature. No plans, no rush, just wandering wherever our heart leads us. And honestly, it's such a wonderful feeling. I've left this city for 3 years, but it's only now walk hand in hand with my children through these landscapes that I'm truly falling in love with it. For the longest time, I was so caught up in my own thoughts and daily struggles that I completely overlooked the quiet beauty right in front of me. This city has such gentle charm, breathtaking sunsets, peaceful parks, and the soft way the seasons change. I walked past them every single day, but I never really saw them. Looking back, those first few years, here were filled with uncertainty and quiet challenge. There were moments when I felt small and lost, unsure about what the future would bring. But in the middle of that stillness, I discovered the gentle power of learning. I started creating a little sanctuary for myself, softly saying goodbye to my old self, and slowly opening up to new possibilities. Now my days flow with a quiet joy. I study English with my kids in the morning, lose myself in beautiful novels, gently build my vocabulary, and listen to soothing audiobooks while doing housework. I've come to love those deep, honest conversations I have with myself, quietly asking who I am and who I want to become. Surprisingly, this simple routine has become my greatest source of peace. Not a single day feels wasted, especially the ones where I choose learning over mindless schooling. This journey often reminded me of a book called Alexander Rostov from A Gentleman in Moscow. Even though he lost everything and was confined to a hotel, he chose to live each day with elegance, discipline, and grace. He taught me that no matter what circumstance we face, we can still be the master of our own soul. We may not choose what happens to us, but we can always choose our attitude with kindness, curiosity, and quiet strength.